In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to see your address recovery phrase on Coinbase Wallet. You can simply see your address recovery phrase or passkey in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head to your Coinbase wallet. You want to tap onto your address right here. Now select onto the option of Add and Manage Wallets. All your wallets and addresses will show up right here. You just have to choose any address. On this step, it varies. If you used a recovery phrase while opening up your wallet, you will see the recovery phrase option. And if you used a passkey, you will definitely see the passkey option. Now head to recovery phrase and simply enter your passcode to proceed. You will see your recovery phrase or passkey just like so. Well, that's how easy it is to see your address recovery phrase or passkey on Coinbase Wallet. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.